Hi everybody, welcome back. It's so good to see you again. I'm just overwhelmed and so happy about how my channel is growing thanks to you all. I really appreciate it. I have always liked dolls, but I never thought I'd get the opportunity to transform into one. This little puffiness here is the result of a little paralysis in this area, but I don't worry about it because God is too good to complain, and we're just going to keep on going and accept those things that we cannot change.
Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. You take my heart, but it isn't a game. Threw my love your way, but you're dodging my aim. Got me swinging back and forth, but I can't help the way that I feel. Head in the clouds over you, 'cause your smile's got me head over heels. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. I count the stars at nighttime, hoping it'll put me in the right mind. Trying to connect the things I collect, keep my eyes open wide, catching all the signs. What you need, all your homies to co-sign. Well, baby, I'm free, make up my own mind. But you got my head spinning from these things that I'm feeling. Hot space and I'm chasing, you're winning. Merry-go-round, dizzy and daydreams of you. There's nothing better than I found, but is this how to take place? Give me a clue, 'cause I can't find you. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you, 'cause of how I love ya. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. I love.
Oh no! Okay, I paused this video. Been doing all of this taping with me putting this makeup on, and the camera was off. But at least thankfully I noticed it before the whole video was over. I'm trying to look young and then having this senior moment where the recorder is off and I think it's on.
I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you and how I love ya. You take my heart, but it isn't a game. Threw my love your way, but you're dodging my aim. Got me swinging back and forth, but I can't help the way that I feel. Head in the clouds. catching all the signs. What you need, all your homies to co-sign. Well, baby, I'm free, make up my own mind. But you got my head spinning from these things that I'm feeling. Hot space that I'm chasing, you're winning. Merry-go-round, dizzy and daydreams of you. There's nothing better that I found, but is this how to take place? Give me a clue. 'Cause I can't find.
You see me keep watching. You see me keep looking to make sure it's still recording. It's got me paranoid.
Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you, 'cause of how I love ya. Oh, the pain stuck to you like peanut butter. Oh, caught in a jam over you, and how I love ya.
Let me know if you think that I am a living doll or a dud. I love you guys. Thank you so much for helping my channel to grow. Before you leave, if you can forgive me for this mistake, please subscribe, like, tell others, and hit that notification bell, because I promise for the next video, I will not forget to hit the pause and then hit the record again. Take care, everybody. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
I love you.